Welcome to another episode of the Simple Sandwich series. Today we're going to make a buffalo chicken sandwich, also known as the Jet. The main meat of this sandwich is chicken thighs, so we're going to take those and coat them in seasoning. Some salt, some lemon pepper, not regular pepper, some olive oil, and we'll season both sides. We'll bake our chicken thighs at 450 for 35 minutes. If you have a meat thermometer, bake them till the internal temperature reaches 165. While that's going on, we're going to make our buffalo sauce. 4 tablespoons or half a stick of butter, and I like to do 5 tablespoons of Frank's Red Hot. It's got to be red hot or else it's not buffalo sauce. I like to touch the sauce up with a little bit of garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and red pepper chili flakes. Once the chicken thighs are cooked through, we're going to toss them in the buffalo sauce. Once they're nice and coated, we're going to add a slice of Muenster cheese to each thigh. We'll stick these in the broiler for anywhere from 30 to 40 seconds, monitoring it at all times because it really cooks quickly. Today we're using a ciabatta loaf as our bread. Highly recommend. Ciabatta is like eating a bread-flavored pillow. Place in our butter lettuce first, add the chicken thighs to the sandwich, slice up a nice little cross section there, and that's it. This is the Jet, or a buffalo chicken sandwich, whatever you want to call it. Get some blue cheese for dipping, or ranch if that's your vibe, and enjoy. This is a great sandwich for the football season. Any season really, actually. But pretty good for football. Like and subscribe for more sandwich videos. Yeah, they're a-coming.